How to fix TikTok not eligible for your For You feed. So firstly, launch TikTok app in your device. After that, you will land to your For You page. Now you need to go to your profile section. To do that, click on the profile icon that is in the bottom panel. Now you will also see a 3-line icon at the top right corner. Tap on it and an additional menu will pop up. From here, select the first option, which is Creator Tool. Now at the top, you will see a section for analytics. Click on Get Started if you have not. Now this way you can set up your analytics. Go to the content section from the top panel. Here the data is processing because I just set up this option. But if you have any content that is copyrighted, then consider removing them. Now go back to your profile section and again tap on the 3-line icon. Now choose the option Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, scroll down and look for the option Report a Problem. You will find this option under the section of Support and About. Now inside at the top you can see there is a search bar. Now look for the issue that you are having here. You can also choose the topic from which you are having problem. If you scroll down to the bottom, then you can see an option called Chat with Us. If you tap on the option, then you can have a one-on-one conversation with the developers. That way you can get a solution to this problem. And that's how you can fix the problem of TikTok not eligible for your For You feed. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content.